You can apply for the MV Photovoltaic Power Limited IPO directly through the Kite app by Zerodha. Just open your Kite app and tap on the Bids tab. Then go to the IPO section. You'll see a list of ongoing IPOs. Select MV Photovoltaic Power Limited, enter the quantity and price you wish to bid for, and confirm your application using your UPI ID. Make sure your UPI mandate is approved before 5 p.m. on the closing day to successfully complete your application. Now that you know how to apply, here's what makes this IPO interesting. MV Photovoltaic Power Limited is a Bengaluru-based solar energy manufacturer that produces advanced solar cells and modules used in rooftop, commercial, and utility scale projects. Its product portfolio includes bifacial and monofacial TOPCon modules and cells and mono-PERC modules. The company operates 4 manufacturing units across Dabaspet and Hoskote in Karnataka, spread over 22 acres with a total capacity of 7.8 gigawatts for modules and 2.9 gigawatts for solar cells. It also serves global clients through its subsidiary in Germany. The IPO will remain open from November 11th to 13th with a price band of rupees 206 to rupees 217 per share and a lot size of 69 shares. The total issue size is rupees 2,900 crore, which includes a fresh issue of rupees 2,143.86 crore and an offer for sale of rupees 756.14 crore. The company plans to use the proceeds to repay borrowings and for general corporate purposes. On the positive side, MV benefits from its integrated manufacturing setup, advanced solar technology, and growing export footprint. However, it faces challenges from policy changes, raw material price swings, and fast-evolving technology in the solar sector. In terms of financials, the company's revenue grew from rupees 954 crore in FY24 to rupees 2,360 crore in FY25, a 147% jump, while profit after tax rose from rupees 29 crore to rupees 369 crore, reflecting a year-on-year growth of over 1,100%. On valuation, MV's PE ratio is 20, lower than Waaree Energies, Premier Energies, Vikram Solar, Satvik Green Energy, and Websol Energy Systems.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.